My name is Vasconezld. I was born in Ecuador. I've been living in New York for the last 21 years, and in that period of time, I've been gladly involved in different projects. In this occasion, I participated in PROBASHI doing the audio for the movie. I got the chance and the opportunity to meet Sam when we went to Puerto Rico doing our first tour with Subtropical. And at the time, Sam joined us, the team. He went with us and he did specifically like pictures, and he was able to capture pictures and video for our trip. And after that, he made a video of that sort of documentary type of thing, a recap of the tour, which was really nice for us. We enjoyed it. It was really nice, the job he did at the time. I'm gonna talk about a little bit of the work process. In this case, I use two different systems, two different computers. This is a PC and this is a Mac. In both, I'm running Cubase, different versions. So this one is Cubase LE4, a really old one, but as you can see, it's working. So I'm really glad. You can use different plugins to create different sounds. So in this case, I ended up using my cell phone with the router and the computer, so that we have this system just for sound effects and playing back the synthesizer, and the main one to mix and play back the movie. So two different systems, clean, control sound, consistent sound through the movie. That was my main goal. And I started with a stereo pair, one channel, a stereo channel, and then I ended up with 35 channels total, and after the whole process. So and that was because I had to separate different areas and create new channels so that I can treat it differently. I did use some compression, did use some imaging, some multi-band compression, EQ. So it was, in a way, in terms of sound, it was treated the best way possible, having different tools, different plugins. Everything was done in the box, using plugins, in this case Waves plugins. So this is some of the plugins that I use. Let me show you. So nice limiter at the end to control everything, and then some compression, and also I did use this tape to create some warmth on the sound, fuller sound. So as you can see, different channels, different tools. Like I say, start with one channel, a stereo channel. I ended up having 35 channels total. But you know, that's what it takes to do this. It took close to 4 weeks to do the whole sound for the movie. Yeah, it was a little bit difficult to be inside the house the whole time, but at the same time, for me, was really helpful because I was able to concentrate on the sound and dedicate enough time um, to do this project. I did record sounds that kind of express like internal, since Shorty didn't talk much, didn't talk too much. That's why he was chosen between all the guys. So it was everything internal. A lot of what he was thinking and things like that. It was internal. So I tried to, in one way or another, express those feelings. So little details, subtle details, but at the end it helped to the movie. We also do have featuring Subtropical, Militia Heavy Sound from New York City. So yeah. So yeah, this is one of the tracks that are featuring on the movie. These tracks were recorded on last year, and they're as part of the band. It's an honor for us and for me to, as part of the band, is to be featuring on the movie. It's an honor, and this is New York City sound pretty much, and there are different parts where some extra sounds that I add as a background using the synthesizer. So yeah, there you go. Emotional, the movies of different parts. So yeah, that's PROBASHI, the sound for PROBASHI, and hopefully you enjoy it too.
Gang. Liddy. I'm a Johnny. Flow through the beat like Bonnie. One crib and gold shot.